Numerology and Astrology. Numerology is the study of the occult meanings of numbers, while astrology is the study of the relationships between celestial objects and earthly events. As occult sciences, both have been used for millennia to attempt to divine the future and understand the hidden forces at work in the universe. Though their methods and conclusions are often quite different, both numerology and astrology can provide insights into an individual's personality and potential destiny. Numerology is based on the belief that numbers have mystical power and can be used to unlock the secrets of the universe. Each number has a range of meanings, and by analyzing an individual's birth date, name, and other factors, numerologists can interpret the hidden message behind these numbers. Numerology can be used to predict future events and understand the past, present, and future course of an individual's life. Astrology, on the other hand, relies on the position of the planets and stars to make predictions about an individual's future. By studying the alignment of the planets at the time of an individual's birth, astrologers can determine which life path that person is likely to follow. Astrology can also be used to understand relationships, compatibility, and even career choices. Though both numerology and astrology have been used for centuries, it is important to remember that they are not exact sciences. The interpretation of numbers and the positions of celestial bodies is subjective, and results may vary depending on the reader or practitioner. However, these ancient occult sciences can still provide valuable insights into the human experience. Please like and share this video to your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks.